Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the ABH number 220 S2 standard door armature head assembly only, inch and 5/8 projection. The S2 stands for painted brass. I have one removed from the packaging so that we can take a closer look at it. And here it is. Here's the armature. Two parts. Of course, you're going to get your door portion here, and you'll get the fastener package that will permit you to mount it through the door, through bolt it. Between these two separated pieces, and your armature plate, that obviously communicates directly to the electromagnetic lock itself. This will have an inch and 5/8 projection. You can order extensions should you need to build that out further, which is very, very common that you might need to. Inch and 5/8 projection, sure. Maybe, well, I've got that not perfectly straight. So inch and 5/8 projection. If you were to need to extend that, you would literally separate the two pieces and thread your extension in, which are available in... Actually, there is a link below this video to a document called Product Information that will allow you to review the accessory page from ABH for this type of material. 3/8, half-inch, 3/4, 1-inch, 2-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch extensions. The 220 armature is going to be specifically for the 2100, 2300, 2400, 2600, and 2700 series models. The diameter of the base, about 2 9/16. The diameter of the armature, about 1 inch and 15/16. There's also a link below this video to, I'm going to say that these are 1032. They look like the same size screw that you'll use to put grade 2 locks together. There's also a link to the product brochure that will allow you to go over all of the electromagnetic door holders from ABH. If you're not sure which armature that you might need, a quick scroll through that catalog might allow you to easily locate those different models that you'll see. Surface mounted, mounted into electrical gang boxes, mounted onto the floor, a variety of options that are listed there. Okay. Now, this is in the S2 finish, and obviously you can do this in any of the available finishes from ABH. They would be US 28, which is aluminum, S1, S2, S3, S4, and S5 finishes. I do not know what all those finishes are, so let's pull that up. I don't recall. I mean, you know, silver, brass, bronze, black, probably. But let's pull them up since I don't recall them. Okay. Have the catalog pulled up here, and let's do a find function for what these finishes are. And in the manufacturer's full-line catalog, you will have the chart relatively early in the book. S1 is painted aluminum, S2 is painted brass, S3 is painted satin bronze, S4 is painted black, S5 is painted dark bronze. So both of your bronzes, standard and dark, black, aluminum, brass. Typical culprits when it comes to sprayed finishes. There is finally a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the ABH products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. I would absolutely encourage that you review the ABH product catalog. They have a footprint of products that you can use on basically every type of construction project, whether it be residential, commercial, healthcare, any of the occupancies. You'll be able to use some product out of what they sell. If it's going to be residential, they make a really nice line of a variety of offset and center hung pivots. You want to have really robust hardware for hanging doors, you can do that. You get into healthcare, electromagnetic door holders, certainly. You're getting into hotels and things of that nature, overhead door stops. That link to the manufacturer's catalog will allow you to review all of that material. And they're important ABHs because they are independent, which means that it has advantages and disadvantages. The disadvantage of being independent is that they don't draw on the resources of a multinational, global, multi-billion-dollar organization. The advantage, though, is you can pick the phone up and say, I need a template. I need help. And the person you talk to, okay, give me an hour and I'll email it to you. The big companies are that way too, but sometimes it's not as direct of a line of communication. Not to take anything away, but we're an independent small business. ABH is an independent small business, so maybe we see certain things eye to eye, I suppose. I have met the owner. His business is probably 30 years old at this point, or almost. His resume comes out of engineering and the commercial door hardware industry at whole. It's a family-run business, I understand, as well. I've been to their shop many times, and there are people who genuinely care about the success of your project and would be worthy of at least a review for any project that you're considering, large or small. Any questions on the ABH 220 in an S2 finish door armature or any other ABH product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.